Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1838, that is frequency of the most frequent element. In this, the frequency of element we know that it is the number of times that element appears in an array, and will be given an integer array nums and an integer k. Okay, which will be the number of operations. In one operation, we can choose any index of nums and increment that particular element by 1. Okay, and we have to return the maximum possible frequency of any element after performing add, max, k operation. Okay, so now let's move towards the explanation of test cases. The first test case, we are given that my k is equal to 5. Okay, just yeah, then my k is equal to 5 and my r is 1 to 4. So what I can do, I can convert 1 into 3. That will cost me 2 steps. Okay, uh, that will cost me. Okay, well, I can. Sorry. Uh, Let me just erase this. Yeah, what I can do, I can convert 1 to 4, and this will cost me 3 steps. So that means that I'm still left with 2 steps. And what I can do is I can convert 2 to 4 in just 2 steps. So this sums up to be 5 total number of steps, which is my k, and at most I can perform k operations. It is given in the question only. In the next test case, we are given that 1, 4, 8, and 13. So what I can do, I can use, there are multiple solutions for this. I can make this element 4, 4, or these two as 8 and 8, or these two as 13 and 13. Okay, and in 1 to 4 I'll be just using 3 operations, and there are no possible ways that I can form a 4 in some other way. In converting from 4 to 8, I'll be just using 4 operation. Converting 8 to 13, I'll be just using 5 operations. So at max, then frequency of any element could be 2 only. In this case 396, there is no possible way that I can convert 3 to 6 as this is the closest pair, or 6 to 9 with just 2 moves. So maximum frequency of every element in this array would be 1. Okay, so this is the explanation of test cases. Now let's move towards the pseudocode for this. And sorry, what I'll be doing, we'll be using the sliding window approach. And let's see, firstly, what I'll be doing, I'll be sorting the nums array. Sort nums. Okay, yeah, and then I'll be initiating a left pointer equal to 0, and my answer variable will be also equal to 0, and my current variable will be equal to 0. That will be the current element. Then for right pointer equal to 0, and right will be less than length of the nums, and right plus plus. Okay, so what I'll be doing in this for loop, I'll be setting that my, let's say the target is nums of right. Okay, is nums of right, and so I'll be setting that my current will be plus equal to target. Okay, and then what I'll be doing, I'll be in the sliding window, what I'll be doing, I'll be checking this condition that while right minus left plus 1 into target minus current is greater than k. What I'll be doing, current greater than k, yeah, current minus equal to nums of left, and I'll be moving left to the right. Okay, and here I'll be just updating answer will be equal to maximum of answer, and right minus left plus 1. Okay, and at the end I'll be simply returning answer. Okay, so how this code will work, let's say for the test case we were having 1, 4, 8, and 13. Okay, so in the first iteration, I'll be having my left equal to 0 and right are also equal to 0. So firstly, let me set my target as nums right. Okay, so right now I'm writing target as t, that will be equal to 1, and my current I'm writing it as c, that will be also equal to 1. Okay, so while right minus left, that is 0 minus 0 plus 1 is greater than plus 1 into target is 1, minus my current is also equal to 1 is greater than k. So this condition is false. So we'll be just considering that my maximum answer right now is 1. Similarly, in the next iteration, my target will become 4. T will be equal to 4. Okay, let me just write this as second iteration, and my current will be equal to 5. Current will be equal to 5. So again, that right minus left, that is 1 minus 0 into 1 into my target is now 4. Okay, minus current is 5. This is also not greater than k. Okay, so this is how the question will approach. So now let's move towards coding window for this, and let me just zoom in. Okay, yeah. Firstly, arrays dot sort nums, and then what I'll be doing, int left equal to 0, and my current and my answer will also equal to 0. And for the current, I'll be using a long because the answer, the values in the nums might be long, or might be out of the integer range. So for int right equal to 0, right less than nums dot length, right plus plus, and then I'll be setting my target will be equal to nums of right, and my current will be plus equal to the target, and then I'll be checking the condition for the sliding window, that is while right minus left plus 1 into target minus current is greater than k. What I'll be doing, I'll be simply removing that particular value from my current minus equal to nums left, and here left plus plus, and here I'll be doing answer will be equal to maximum of answer and right minus left plus 1. Okay, so at the end just return answer. Okay, so now let's run it. Okay, I don't know why it's taking a long time. While yeah, the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we are just waiting for the results. Okay. Okay, so there's some issue with the LeetCode website. Okay, but that code will work. Okay, let me just try with some other window. Okay, and it will work here. Now let me just run it. I don't know that it might run into an error again. Oh, but yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it runs successfully. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.